Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today, we will be talking about NEO on the blockchain, a little bit about the difference between NEO and gas, technical analysis. Should you buy it? I think you should. There is a major reversal underway. It's a breakout alert for NEO to BTC on a USD to the USD on a 343 compliments of the boss method. If you don't know it, type it in on Google, learn the chart like a boss, and then join the money team. This is your boy BK, also known as the boss of these charts. As you will soon find out, every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you get to profit. As a result, today is no exception. So the contest we are running for some free Bitcoin, leave a comment on this video. When I come on the next video, I'm going to do a screen share of comments, pick a live winner on the air, and you will have a chance to win. Until then, let's go ahead and make this money. NEO is a very, very, very strong coin on the blockchain. When we go to a coin market cap, right, you can see right here that it has more than $1 billion right there, number 14, currently $18.94, rounding out $1.2 billion overall, right? And I think that number will be growing in the very, very, very near future, which is why I'm making this video. You can see not doing much. Last 24 hours, down 0.5%, 7 days, less than 1% in a month, you know. So it's basically flat, right? Which is exactly when you want to buy it. Again, we are looking at the boss method. This is patented intellectual property owned exclusively for yours truly. I give it to the people for free. Profit-seeking entities do not have my permission to use it. 7 over 77 and the 343. Again, if you don't know what it is, how to do it, just go on over to bossofbitcoin.com, click on videos, free crypto guide right there at the top. Watch that video right there, chart like a boss playlist, and you will learn how to use my method. What we're going to do first off is we are going to be drawing a horizontal Fibonacci extension, right? I'm going to make another video explaining how this works, why this works, and how to use it, you know, more effectively. But for now, I'll just show you that from breakout to this macro breakdown right there, right? 77 back under the 231. This is what we get. We can put a horizontal line right there. If we wanted to, we can draw one right there. So essentially, all this energy from 0 to 1, right, is about to complete itself down there, right? And that's all that is able to show you. What the Fibonacci does, it shows you how one individual, presumably isolated event, correlation, relationship, how that 0 to 1, where that point terminates at. So if we say 0 to 1 is one complete cycle, then the fullest extension of that cycle terminates right there, right? That's good for us. That means that we know all the energy is exhausting itself, and it's exhausting itself at a very fortuitous time. And this is because NEO is on the verge of another breakout, right? Another quick way you can note that is this 231 in itself is literally coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, and it's just dovetailing on off, right? What's going to happen? We're going to come above it, and we're going to be back off to the races on a new cycle in between that 4.2 and that 4.6, right? If we wanted to confirm this correlation and not just presume it to be causation, which is often a major mistake of many, crypto YouTubers nowadays. Another way we can do this is a Fibonacci from breakdown to breakout. Throw it back one time. Bam! You can't make this stuff up. That's a 1.6 extension. Nail on the head right there. Look at it. Fractals don't lie. Breakdown to breakout. Negative energy. Perfectly lines up with our inception point, right? And so what does this mean? What does it say? This says that this is indeed the floor, right? That is indeed confirmed the end of all that negative energy, right? So if we said this point was 1, this point was 2, the extension of that point would indeed be 3, right? So we're out of negative energy. That's good. That means that we have positive energy coming between our 4.2 and our 4.6. And just to be sure, let's go ahead, take a sine line extension from boom, boom. And just like clockwork, you get confirmation one more time on that right there, right? Positive energy, negative energy, positive energy, all right? I believe now is one of the best times you're going to have to buy NEO. At about 2,900, right? 0029. I believe I made a video back in the summer. It was somewhere up here, like 57, 56. Name of the video was I just sold 100 NEO. Here's why. It's because I didn't want to take a loss, you know? I didn't want to take that 50% loss. I gave it back to the market, and now I'm buying it back here for half off, right? That's how you chart like a boss. That's how you trade like a boss. That's how you make profit, right? NEO is a great coin on the blockchain. It has gas, which is the destructed currency utility token, so to speak. A lot of people, value gas. I value the asset before I do the derivative. Just know that gas is indeed going up as well. I prefer the technical components of NEO more than I do gas. Why do I prefer that? Because NEO is the pure asset. Gas is the derivative. I want my asset so I can get more derivatives in the future. The more NEO you have, the more gas you will have as a result. But the more gas you have, you don't get any NEO for it, right? Gas in itself is a whole different chart. That's more of a manipulated currency because, rich people choose to do that. And so that's why I'm not showing gas's chart. It really doesn't have any technicals to it, not like NEO does. NEO is the pure asset. Gas is the speculative derivative, right? So the more NEO you accumulate, the more gas you accumulate by default. Just know that NEO is indeed completing a 11-month cycle. And it will be going much, much, much higher going into the end of this year and definitely in the early spring of next year, right? So there you go. Nice quick video for you guys. 42 viewers live on the air. If you hit that thumbs up button for me one time, I do appreciate it. Let me show you what I got for you right now. This is the profit package. I delivered this to our members on the website early this week. And Neo was on that list. So everybody that got this document at the beginning of this week was able to benefit from this last run right there, right? My documents come out. I think it came out on like, put it on Patreon like the 25th, 26th, somewhere in there. And here we are, already up 4.5% Bitcoin in 3 days, right? So this is one of the coins on that document. That's why I'm doing this video. That's why I'm letting you know. But no, if you want to get a jump on the money, next time head on over bossofbitcoin.com. Click this little button right here, Boss Method Products. Take you right down here. Bam! Got the profit package, $25. Could have got this coin a month ago for 25 bucks. Right? If you want it every week, triple up 75, you get 4 different documents delivered straight to you digitally every 7 days. Then we got the VIP trading group. I'm developing software, working with some of the most brilliant minds in the world to streamline your path to success. Everybody that signs up for the Boss Alert messages will receive an exclusive invitation to beta test this software later in the year. Look forward to delivering that information. And then everybody that's sick and tired of being sick and tired, that just want a little help in the market, we got the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. Type it in on Facebook, #1Bitcoin. Come on in. The doors are always open. 20,000. My best friends come together 7 days a week to keep each other empowered and in profit in the marketplace. If you're in the chat right now, shout your country out. Let the people know who we got rocking out with us right now. Let me see if I can pop y'all out up here. Big Zach T, what's going on? Good to see you. Right? And I just wanted to come on real quick. Sky Affiliated. What it do? You know what I'm saying? Just came on a Saturday morning, Saturday evening, you know, let you guys know it's some money to be made. You know what I'm saying? Even on the weekends, I'm putting in work on these videos. So if you appreciate that, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't seen, you know, this type of ingenuity with regards to technical analysis, subscribe, share, whatever you deem best for you. The biggest thing to note is that this is indeed a transition, right? I don't get on here and speak too much about the urgency of now. Bitcoin is $6,500 per unit. That is that's an opportunity, right? You can't even buy a good car for $6,000, but you can get one of the most transformational vehicles of wealth in the history of humanity for that price right now. More people value a piece of scrap metal on 4 tires than they do Bitcoin right now. And we can use that as our opportunity. Change your values, change your worth. Realize that we are indeed the ones we have been waiting on. And we will be the bridge builders for everyone else, you know, a little late to the game. So that's why I've made this Facebook group. 20,000 people, you know what I'm saying, coming together to help each other, just like the good old days, right? You need some milk, you need some sugar. That's cool. Come on in. We got charts 7 days a week, 24 hours. They don't stop. Right? So there you go. Let's jump on over. Let's come back out here. Let's screen share the whole thing, the entire screen. Here we go. We ain't even got that many people. It's Saturday. People out with their families, kicking it. That's cool. Sky affiliated. Good to see you, Big Zach. Slayer first. Somebody said what's better, Neo Gas or Ontology Gas? Whichever one is winning on the boss method. Once one start losing and the other start winning, that one's better. Quebec is in the building. There you go. It is indeed an opportunity for you all to receive some primetime real estate at flea market prices like a boss. That being said, everybody, England in the building, UK, Quebec, 305. And I think Zach holding down for UK too. That being said, it's that time of the day signing out. Boats, boy BK, no matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Jerk Monday. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Again, like, subscribe, share, copy and paste the URL, text somebody you care about. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace. I don't even know how I lost this window. Where'd it go? Which one is it? Google Hangouts? Oh, there we go. Okay. Bye, everybody.